Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be starting this small series. I don't know how long it's going to go on, but I'm going to be improving my website design for my blog. And if you guys are familiar, the blog is howtoboosttestosterone.org. It's not where I want it to be. It's just not. I got to improve it. And so we're going to be working on these things. I already have a product finalized that we're going to be releasing soon on there for our blog readers. We're starting to get more traffic. In fact, if I go here to my dashboard and show some of the traffic, let's see here. We have daily traffic. We're starting to, get a little bit more consistent traffic. Like here, we got 59 page views in a day, 55. Here's 79 page views in a day. Just this week, 200 something page views, 254. I can go and check the whole duration of the month so far. And we had 937 page views. And you could see here we get ups and downs of traffic. So like here we had a low of 16 page views, then 36 page views, then 58 page views, then 26, then 30, then 65, then etc. So, it's going up and down, which is normal with any kind of business in the blogging world in the beginning. It's very, very normal. And you could see that kind of has like a history within this blog. So, it's perfectly normal. And what I do like to see is that it's this based on this blog, the gap distance between the light blue and the dark blue shows the amount of times somebody is seeing a certain web page. So for example, on a day like this, right, let's say where there's a big gap here we have 50 page sessions, and then we have 67 page views. Those sessions, each session is a new individual coming to the website. But 67 page views means more than one person is seeing more than one web page, which opens the door for more income being produced. Even if it's a small amount of income, it's still income. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and jump in and start designing this thing and making this thing better. And what I'm going to start off with is some menus, okay? So here, let's just go ahead and test everything. So here's my website. Okay, this is the home page, and we have the blog button. The blog button will take you to effectively the home page, okay? The read by is just all jacked up right now. And then we have testosterone boosting foods and all this kind of stuff. Instead, I'm going to create better menus. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create our product page. And our product page is the place where we're going to sell our product that's going to be coming out. We're actually going to sell two products. So the first thing I'm going to do is go here to page. And then what I'm going to do is create a membership/course page, which will be content that I'm going to lock off. So this is the locked off content. And I will probably go with this template. And if you guys are members of some of the courses that I've created, even my free course on cashcow.nichesites.com, the free blogging course, you probably will recognize this website design here when I just created it. So I'm going to call this course content. Let's go ahead and do that. And what we're going to do is we're going to lock this off to the public. So the public can't necessarily access this because this is members only. And because this is going to be a course that people are going to pay for, right? So this is the product. We're going to have to edit this in the future when we do create the course, but this is going to be locked off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit add new, and I'm going to create a page group. And something that I will say is that if you guys don't take these first steps, like I'll just speak for myself before I even talk about you guys. If I don't take these first steps of starting to create the infrastructure for this, I'm never going to go out there, create the product, make the money. I'm already generating traffic. So it's just a matter of making money off the traffic. That's all it is. So let's go ahead and get started. So the page group is going to be called paid course, okay? Paid course. And I'm going to hit add here. So this is just a folder. And any kind of course-related content that's members area type stuff is going to be moved here. So the way I'm going to do that, I'm going to go to my course content page, hit this little settings, show settings, members only, and then here's the page group, like add group. And I'm going to move this to paid course, and I'm going to hit save. All right, so what this does now is I have folders. Okay, the first folder is my pages, which, it needs to be improved. But this section here is my paid course. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the landing page for the course. So I'm going to go over here once again, and I'm going to go to the pages. I'm going to hit add new, and then I'm going to click page. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to need a page for the sign up page of that specific course. So let's see what we got here. We got lead generation, which technically it's not lead generation. It's going to be just a regular like sales type page. So we have product page. That's what I'm going to be going after. Now, I don't know what design I'm officially going to go with, so I'll just use something as a placeholder for now. So I'll go with something like, let's see here. Yeah, this looks good. When I take my mouse and I hover over any of these, it will it will show me the full-on design. So it doesn't matter which one I use. I can select, like, for example, preview this one, and it will show me how it looks. I think it looks clean overall. And like I said, this is all within Rocket Web Builder. You guys can see their templates, the templates and everything. It's all good. But anyways, I'll go ahead and hit select here, and I'm going to give this a name. I'm going to call this course members area. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a members only page for an actually private, password protected, because it will be public eventually. So I'm going to call this 123. The password is going to be 123, and I'm going to hit add. Now, in the future, guys, by the way, I will change it. I will not be calling it course members area, obviously. We're not there yet, but that's why I'm calling it what it is for now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, and instead of pages, I'm going to move it to the paid course once again. So all the pages that I have in the paid course, this is going to be the sales page. This is going to be the content page, okay? The content page, people are going to be able to log into it and access their content when they have a password and username when they actually pay for the product, okay? So that's that there, all right? So then we have pages. With the pages, what I want to do is I want to take my blogs and I want to categorize them, okay? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over here to this page. This page is called Testosterone Boosting Foods, and I like that name. It's not a bad name. But what I need to do is I need to categorize my blog posts. So I need to look through all my blog posts and create a category called Testosterone Boosting Foods, right? And I'm going to add it there. Or I could just manually select my blog post. So for example, here, this is called Testosterone Boosting Foods. First of all, I need a block because this is all jammed up. It doesn't look good. So I'm going to create an empty block here, or maybe I might even go with a different block. I think I'll go with this block. And what I'll do is I'll manually create a video later with just basically telling people, hey, welcome to the page. If you want to learn about all the foods that could potentially boost testosterone, go ahead and take a look at the blogs below, right? And what that will do from a Google standpoint is Google will understand that I'm adding elements of creativity here. And having video on your website helps, you know? So here, what I'm going to call this is testosterone boosting foods, just like this. Okay. Now, if I needed help with writing this headline, I could have AI do it for me. Just out of curiosity, I wonder what they would do here if I hit improve. I don't know. Foods to increase testosterone level. Okay, good. So foods to increase this. I'm going to type in testosterone boosting foods. Yeah, not much you can work with when you have a title like that, but I'm going to get rid of this subheading. Okay. And I'm going to decrease the font here. I'm going to go with a, let's say 42. And this video I'm going to make smaller. Kind of like this. Something like that. Maybe even smaller than that. Because I do want above the fold. By the way, for those who don't know what above the fold means, it means essentially when you visit the website without scrolling down, what is shown on the screen. I want them to get a glimpse of what they're seeing of these articles, right? So that's a little FYI. And I center aligned it, so brought it to the center. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease my line height, okay? And I do want to make sure things look mobile friendly as I'm working, so I can click on the phone view and take a look. And you can see here right away that my text is not because I decreased the line height. So here I'll just increase it. Let me increase it one more time, and it will look something like that. So testosterone boosting foods. And, whoa, what did I just do here? Okay. Hit save. And what I'll do, let me increase this. And can we actually go full screen here? No, hold on. Let me go full screen. Let's see what we could do here. Yeah, we could go full screen. Probably a better experience for you guys, honestly. And there we go. So testosterone boosting foods. Okay. We have the video here. Let me go ahead and undo that enlargement. Okay. By the way, if you're using Rocket Web Builder, you have your undo on the left, top left here, and your redo on the right, okay? And then always save your progress. I always save as I work. Any kind of update you make, you're going to have a little button that says save there, okay? And then what I'm going to do is remove this button, and I'm going to remove this text, okay? Just like that. I might even decrease the size of this even more. I don't know. Because it's just like a little explainer video. It doesn't really mean much. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding my blog post here. So here, I'm going to have a headline that says read articles on various foods that boost testosterone. It really shouldn't be foods. It should be ingredients. Testosterone boosting ingredients. That's what it really should be, to be 100% honest. And keep this all capital. Ingredients. Let's go ahead and fix that. We got Grammarly. Did I really spell ingredients right? There's no way. I can't spell to save my life. Did I really spell it right? Wow. Okay, I'm surprised, honestly. And then read articles that... Okay. So now what I'm going to do is get rid of this. I don't need the headline even. And now what I'm going to start to do is look for those articles. So we have these articles here. I could separate this into 2 columns, just like this. And then what I'll do is I'll make this a full width thing like this. Does that make sense? So this will be a page that provides information on this topic. So I'll go full width here and full width here. And then I'll start adding them in manually. And I'll hit save. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my blogs. So the way to do this is click on my blog, right? And then I'm going to start looking for everything related. So let me go to page 2 here, and let's see. Testosterone too high. Let's see. How to produce natural testosterone. Types of testosterone injections. Male hypogonadism. Let's keep reading. Everything you need to know about testosterone zinc. So testosterone zinc is not that. Let's see here. Vitamin D is technically not an ingredient, so that wouldn't, be considered one. Let's go ahead and go to the 3rd page. Here we have, all right, CBD. We have apple cider vinegar, which is, look at this garbage article. This needs to be improved. Once again, this was something my virtual assistant wrote. But anyways, we have supplements and ingredients. We'll take that. Actually, no, we got to improve that. What am I talking about? Here, let's go to the next page, and we'll start adding this stuff. So let's search does, and then we're going to start having it. All right, does clove increase testosterone? Let's do one at a time. We're going to go over here to settings. We're going to go to tags, and we're going to tag it ingredients, just like this. Okay, let's just make sure I spelt it right. Yep, ingredients. Okay, and paste it here and hit add, and then hit update, of course. Real quick, I just want to make sure on the page if I can sort by tag. So let's go over here, edit, category. Can I do by tags or no? Let's see, navigation type, ingredients. These are in category. Yes, most popular tags. No, we can't do by tags. Okay, so forget tags. Then we got to do it a different way. We'll do it by category then. We'll just add it to the categories. So I'll hit save here, and then we'll go back to our blogs, not system pages, blogs, and then we will hit search does, and then we'll start searching for those ingredients. So here we have nutmeg. Nutmeg is an ingredient. Okay, and then we'll hit search here, and then we will search here, and we'll type in ingredients. So this will be just in the ingredients section. That'll be one category for ingredients. And then we'll go over here and we will search for other ingredients. So we'll search garlic. Garlic is considered an ingredient, right? And I didn't even write the article yet, but we'll go over here, we'll add categories, and we'll type in ingredients, okay? And add that and hit update. And then we'll search for another one. So does here cinnamon increase testosterone? That's an ingredient. We'll add here ingredients, okay? And then hit update. And then here we have, let's see, we have SARMs, testosterone. Let's go to the next page. We have CBD. I don't know if that's an ingredient. Does chili burn calories? Does ginger increase testosterone? Okay. A lot of these articles were just terribly written. I'm just going to keep it real. That's why we have to fix all of them. But the fact that they were written this bad and we get traffic is insane to me. I'll be 100% honest. Because when I publish articles, they're nothing less than the best. But, you know, when you make a virtual assistant responsible for the work dish, it's not going to come out properly. Ingredients, we added it on cloves. What else do we have to add? Let's go to the next page here. And we go to moringa benefits. No. Cinnamon, clove, nutmeg. And I know there's more, of course. Let's see here. We have testosterone is too high. What happens? Natural testosterone, hypogonadism. Vitamin D is not an ingredient. Let's just leave that the way it is. And let's just onions. Let's go here. Excuse me, and add ingredients once again, and done. All right. So those are the ingredients. Okay, or at least some of the articles for ingredients. And whenever I have an ingredient-based article, it will go to that specific page. And so when I go here and I go to this, I might as well get rid of my 2 columns. I'll go for 1. And then over here, I'll go to my posts. So I drag and drop blog, right? And then I go select on the most, most popular categories. No. Recent post, first of all categories, and then we're going to search for ingredients as a category, which there's a lot of different categories here. And now we have them added, but now we got to edit the way that it looks. So first of all, I want to add all share buttons, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. The number of posts to display, I'll leave it at max for now, even though we don't have that number. Navigation style will have load. Actually, pagination is better. Medium size, we have large size. We have, which is way too big. We have masonry is better. I like masonry. And for a website like this is good. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is instead of full width for the column, is we're going to go to go to this block pop-up and hit resize container, and we'll go to boxed. Okay. And first of all, let me just save my work and refresh this. And there we go. It's kind of reorganized its pathway. Okay. So testosterone boosting ingredients, and then we could have a segment of text here or something like this. And then I'm going to say read our blog posts on the various ingredients that can potentially increase your testosterone levels. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and center the text, and then I'm going to hit save. All right? And then every single article will be added to this page, but now we have to edit the menu so that it actually encompasses that. So first of all, get rid by this read by. We have our blog, we have our home, we have a lot of different things. So the first thing I'm going to go here is I'm going to go to our blog, and we have a lot of different pages, okay? But what we don't have is we have in our pages section, we have this testosterone boosting foods page, which is exactly the same page that I have here, but I forgot to fix the SEO. So I might as well do that. Website settings, page SEO, and then testosterone. What is this website called? Testosterone boosting ingredients. Let me go ahead and actually just copy and paste that. All right. So I'll copy it, and then I'll go into my page and then hit edit, show settings, and then edit it here, testosterone boosting ingredients. And then for my SEO info, I might as well do that. So testosterone boosting ingredients, read the blog, something like that. I had a feeling, did I spell this wrong? Ingredients. Why is it underlined? Yep, I spelled it wrong. So does that mean I spelled all of the other things wrong? I'm not sure. Whatever. Meta description, okay? Meta description, I'll just copy this and paste it here, and then hit the AI and hit improve. This blog discusses ingredients that are known to boost testosterone levels. First of all, let's expand on this, and let's see what is going on, what it can add for us. All right, give it a little second into doing its AI work, and it says, here in today's society, there's an increasing focus on health and fitness, and one area that has attracted a lot of attention is the role of testosterone in men's health. I don't need all that. Testosterone is a hormone that is crucial. Yeah, don't need all that either. You know what we'll do is we'll actually just clear this, and we'll go to generate text, and I'll say, write for me a meta description for my website, how to boost testosterone.org / testosterone boosting ingredients. And then I'll write, this page is a page on my website that teaches people of the various ingredients that can help boost testosterone levels. All right, and we'll make sure obviously the spelling is right, and then hit submit. And what it's going to do is it's going to take exactly what we just told it to do and write the website, or write the meta description for us. Just after this finishes, I'm just going to check real quick. Let me just click save really quick and just make sure I'm recording, because the last thing I want is to not be recording. Yep, I am recording. So let me get back to it, and let's go to page SEO, and let's see what it says. So it says here, looking to naturally boost testosterone levels, check out blah, blah, blah's how to boost testosterone.org's comprehensive guide to the best testosterone boosting ingredients. Learn about the benefits. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove some of this. So check out blah, blah, blah's comprehensive guide. We're going to leave that, our comprehensive guide to boost testosterone ingredients. We might get rid of that as well, honestly. Learn about the benefits of these natural ingredients to incorporate and how to incorporate them into your diet for optimal results. Don't let low testosterone hold you back. Visit our page. Yeah, I'll get rid of this don't let part because we just don't need it. And there we go. That's perfect. And what I need is I need a thumbnail for this page. So I'm going to hit save. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the screen real quick, hop onto Canva, and create a thumbnail that's related to it. All right, so let me go right here and hit pause. Okay, guys, so I'm on Canva, and I'm going to create a thumbnail for our page here that I have. By the way, shout out to the course. Go ahead and sign up for the free course, Learn How to Blog. But anyways, I have here the thumbnail that I'm going to create. So I'm going to duplicate the page, which I just did. I like this format. And then I'm going to have here a segment. I'll just copy this. And let me see if this is spelled right properly. Nope. And I'll take this and I'll go into this, paste it here, hit save, and then I'm going to copy this here. And then I'll write testosterone ingredients that boost testosterone. All right. And let's go ahead and leave that there. By the way, fun fact for everybody who's listening. I've never read a book in my life. And I know that sounds bad, but that just goes to show you can own a blog, you can make money, you can do a lot of good things without having to learn about these things, you know, or without having to read an actual book. I'm not illiterate, but I definitely can't spell. And I think everybody, I'm kind of well known for that. Like pretty much all my life. I've never read a single book in my life. I just, you know, consume content on the things that I enjoy. Not necessarily proud of that, but hey, it is what it is. So, this might be a little too much of an image, I'll be honest. Let's see here. I think this image is a little bit better. Let's go ahead and move this over, kind of like that, and hit enter. And this is good. So I'll go ahead and hit download here, and it'll be the first page. I'll hit download. I'll hit download. Excellent. All right, so that's taken care of for us. Let's just give it a second. The image is downloaded, and then what I'll do is rename it real quick. And I'll go here, right-click, rename, and ingredients that boost testosterone. Just for my mentality here. And then I'll go into the website. Where is it here? I think it's right here. And then I'm going to set this as a thumbnail. So use custom thumbnail and click on this. And then what I'm going to do is go to my blog images and then upload the file here. So I'll click on this, go to my file, which should be here somewhere. Go to downloads. Yep. Click on it. And it's right here. And then hit add. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this exact image and I'm going to add it within the page. So I'm going to go here to the SEO and I'm going to click SEO info and then add that page there, or add the image into the page. Now, I believe the SEO is correct. I just want to make sure everything is spelled correctly. So boost testosterone boosting ingredients, that's working. I'll go ahead and save that. And just for the sake of this, I want to make sure that, okay, yeah, I didn't spell it right. Or did I? Ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients. I'm not even sure. Let me see here. Yeah, okay, so it is spelled right, I think. Maybe I should take some sort of course on spelling, but it doesn't matter. Ingredients. Okay, there we go. So this page is good to go, and this is one example of a page that is kind of like segmented into my website. So here, testosterone boosting foods. Instead of testosterone boosting foods, I'm going to create a subdomain, or not a subdomain, a sub portion to the menu. So here we have the blog, right? I'm going to move this to the right hand side. And what this is going to be is this is going to be now a drop down. So if somebody goes to this page, just like this, and goes like this is now a drop down. And there's going to be a drop down for other things. So here, instead of, testosterone boosting foods, we can take this exact format and I can duplicate it for another topic. So for example, if I go ahead and hit yes here, and we have here a duplicated page. Now this page can be different based on what we're talking about. So if I go over here and preview the website and I hit the blog page, it will take us to the original. Now I could look at some of the different blogs that I have. So I have, for example, testosterone articles in Arabic, right? That's what I have. So I can take this, let me go to Google Translate, and let me type in here, testosterone articles in Arabic. Okay, let me just, is it spelled correctly? I don't know. Okay. In Arabic. Okay, accept. All right, let me get rid of this. And let me switch this into the Arabic language. And there we go. We have it in Arabic. So now this is going to be the new page created. All right, so let's go ahead and go to this. Make sure we're at the right page. This is the copy. So show settings. It will say copy in the URL. And I'm just going to change that, right? And I'm going to change it here as well. And you could see here, the SEO info is the same thing. I will go ahead and go over here and take some of this and add this, testosterone articles in Arabic. And then I will go over here and type in our website. Actually, I'll leave this the way it is. This is fine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the different Arabic website blog posts and do the same for them. So let me remove this image and hit save. Then we're going to go here and we're going to have an image, or this is the same image, and I'll just duplicate this and I will copy whatever this says in Arabic and then get rid of this. Okay. Switch up the image. So let's say I go with like something like this, or actually something like this is probably better, right? Or maybe we have something else. Let's see. Yeah, this is a better image for the use case. Let me increase the size of the text, place it right here, and hit download. Okay, and then download and done. All right, and we're doing the same thing now, but we're going to just create another segment. So I get a lot of traffic from Egypt, I think, and other Arabic-speaking countries. So this is going to serve them well. All right, so I'm going to take this, and am I on the copy page? Yep. And I'm going to change this here, and I'm going to hit, type in whatever this says, and I'll hit save. And let's go ahead and remove this, and I'm going to take this post, which I believe this is the post, and I'm going to rename it as well. So I'll go over here, hit rename, and it has whatever it has there, and I'm going to hit upload file, and there we go. This is the file on there, and select it. So give it a second for it to load. It's there, and hit select. Now, I can switch up this text here. I'll say something like, read our blog posts on how to increase testosterone levels in Arabic. And what I'm going to do is take this, and I'm going to copy this here, and I'm going to paste it here, and it will give me whatever this is. And I'm going to go over here, and here it is, okay, and paste it here in the text. Might want to go a little bit bigger font because this is a little bit hard to read, something like that. But this is my main heading, and I'll hit save. Now, I'm going to go over here to this, and I'll hit edit, and I'll look for the category that's related to that. So I believe here I have a category in Arabic, like something like this, or let me see what this is. Yeah, I don't know if I have 2 articles written on this. I have to actually check what's going on exactly. But you know what? Let's just jump right in, and let's create an Arabic category. So I'll go over here into, I have to check. So let's go into our blog, because I believe one language is Urdu and one language is Arabic. I'm just not 100% sure which one is which. I have to check. But let's go over here to the pages, and let's go to our blogs, and let's go through all the articles. So page 1, this I believe is Arabic. I believe. Yes, I believe. Let's go ahead and hit settings, and let's go to the I'm pretty sure this is Arabic. Let me just double check. Let's go into Google Translate. Get this here. Translate from Arabic. Yep, this is Arabic. So we're going to go to the article. Let's see here. Where is it? And go to the categories. Okay. And type in Arabic. Just like this. All right. So, and then hit update. So that's the first Arabic article. All right. And then what we're going to do is, I don't know what this is. This could be Arabic as well, or it could be Urdu. I'm not sure. And let's see here. So we have not too much information. Let me go ahead and copy this and go into Google Translate and do the same. SARMs or steroids. Is this Arabic, though? Let's go ahead and detect language. It's Urdu, so it's not Arabic. So there you go. So let me go ahead and translate or write that in the categorization. Let's go to settings, and I will type in Urdu, just like this, and hit add, and then hit update. All right. And it's odd that the font is or the text, like the characters written, are so similar, but it is what it is. So here we have a few articles here. This is, I believe, as well Arabic, just not 100% sure. Okay, I do have a category called Arabic. It is Arabic. Let's go to the next one, which is the third one, I believe. I'll just open this in a... Let's go ahead and open it. And let's go to settings. And yeah, we don't have any details on that. So I'm going to have to translate this and go to Google Translate. Detect language Arabic. Okay. So we'll go to the page and we'll label it Arabic, just like that. And we'll go here to our categories, Arabic, and hit update. Okay, now let's go to that other one. And it's the third one. And I believe this is Arabic as well. Yep, Arabic. It's in the category of Arabic. And let's go to our third page, see if there's anything Arabic there. And possibly this could be Arabic. I would not be surprised. I think this is Arabic. Yeah, this is Arabic for sure. And then we'll go over here, categories, and type in Arabic. Okay, and hit save. Okay, so now that that's in Arabic, all right, we categorized some of the articles here. We're going to go to our pages, go to, all pages, and then we're going to go to the Arabic page. And then we're going to go here is go to these settings, and then I'm going to select the category that correlates to Arabic. So here's the category, and this will show all the different articles in the Arabic category. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 articles. Now, something that I will say, this article has been recently published. This article gets a lot of traffic. This article gets traffic. So what happens is first of all, why are these both in Arabic? I don't think they both are. I think one of them is Urdu. Let me actually check here. I believe the tags have to be somewhere here. Urdu. Okay. Not sure what this is. I have to double check the categories. There shouldn't be 2 articles here. Either one of them is Arabic, one of them is Urdu. I have to figure that out. But the point is when I'm generating traffic to these articles naturally through Google, I can link them the other category of these other Arabic articles. And what it will do is it will drive traffic to these other articles. Also, Google will pick up this page and be like, okay, these are Arabic type posts. And based on that, it will generate more traffic for me on these posts because they're all interconnected through crawling, which is kind of like a spider web aspect. Now that they're all on the same page, Google will pick up the newer ones, get more traffic for them, etc. So that's good. Let me just real quick, since I'm doing this live, I feel like there's no problem with this. Let me just check what's going on here. So tags, I need my categories, not my tags. Let's see here. Do we have categories? Urdu. So this is not Urdu. So what's the deal with these 2 articles? This is interesting to me. I'm not sure, like I said, why these 2 popped up. Unless I have 2 Arabic articles that I don't even know about. And I translated them over twice. Let's go to Google Translate. Yeah, this is Arabic. Okay. And then let's see here. Where was it here? Just bear with me, guys. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this so far. Let's go ahead and enlarge this. And let's view this one and copy this. Maybe this one of them is a well-written one better than the other. We'll find out right now. And yeah, all right. So they're both pretty much the same article. I have to see now which article in Google's eyes is a better article. I'll probably have to go into my Google Search Console. I don't even think I have that open right now. But yeah, you guys get the point. So I'll go over here into my website, and then we'll create the menu button for this. So I'll copy and paste whatever this says into, let's see here, into my menu. So I'll go over here and edit menu, and I will, add menu item. And then what I'm going to do is add this page, hit select, and real quick, just add this kind of like that. So what we have here is different links. This will have to get smaller because I'm going to add a bunch of different links. And I'm actually probably going to have to add a subdomain, but I might even add it right here, honestly. And then add it here. And, might even add a button that says the word Arabic here and then add that link there. So actually, that's what I'll probably do. We'll do this now, okay? So I'll go over here to Google Translate and then just type in the word Arabic. Switch here, English to Arabic, okay? Okay. And then what I'll do is I'll take this and add it here. So edit menu, add the menu item. The menu item is going to be this Arabic page, and I'll hit select, and then I'll just label this Arabic like that. And this is just the beginning. So we're gonna add more and more and more. Blog, we have Arabic here, and so on. So the links are gonna do well. But this will be the good link that will drive people to traffic if they search on Google. Like for example, if somebody searches this on Google, which literally just says how to boost testosterone in Arabic or something like that, will drive traffic towards that. Now, what I can do is I want to bring this into Google Search Console. So let me pause my screen real quick and I'll sign into my Google Search Console account. All right, guys, so I'm on my Google Search Console account, as you can see, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this link, right, and I should be able to go to my regular website, so howtoboosttestosterone.org, and I should be able to click this link and guess what? It opens up everything for me. All right, and I'll take this, I'll copy it, and I'll paste it in here. All right, so I'm going to be submitting it to my, Google. It's brand new, so it's not going to be on Google. I just created it, and testing if it can be indexed, and it will be indexed in just a second. And so all the articles will come in through there, and I could go ahead and take that image banner and place it into my other Arabic articles to give me more traffic to that Arabic page overall. So there we go. It's indexed, or it's starting to get indexed. The request has been processed. And then we have here testosterone boosting foods, which I do have to change what it says. It's not supposed to say that. So it's a good thing to always go back and check. And also I have to change the videos. So behind the scenes, I'll probably have to make a video and get that done for the actual web page, and that's pretty much it. They shouldn't take too much time whatsoever. And the video will actually be good because it will see how many people on the page that have actually clicked on the video. Because if that's the case, I can replace the video for something that sells products for me in the future. So that will be good. So I'll take that page. Let's go ahead and hit edit menu, and testosterone boosting foods. It should not say that. It should say ingredients. So let's go ahead and paste that here. And there we go. All right, so let's go ahead and hit save. And if somebody goes to our page, and like I said, this is just the beginning. I'm nowhere near proud of where it is. It's just going to get better from here. But this is the start. Okay, so we have the different links here, and we have the Arabic link. Somebody who reads Arabic can go ahead and click on that. Then we have testosterone boosting ingredients, and somebody can go ahead and click on that. Now, behind the scenes, I'll just make the quick videos for each one, and just explaining simply what the page is, introducing people to the page, and that's it for this episode. In the next episode, I'll hook up with you guys later and show you guys how far we've gotten, what we've done, etc. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.